Mass production of laser cannons starts in Iran. Speaking to reporters on Saturday, General Qassem Taqizadeh said Iran has obtained the technical know-how to manufacture laser air defense cannons for bringing down hostile quadcopters and small aircraft. He said the weapon has passed laboratory tests and is now being manufactured in the assembly line. The deputy minister also pointed to the latest advances in the country's missile industry, saying the range and precision of ground-launched cruise missiles have been extended with a new digital mapping system whose testing stages will be over in the near future. Efforts are underway to manufacture all ground-to-ground ballistic missiles with pinpoint accuracy, the general further said, adding that Iran is now among the world's top 5 powers in the missile industry. In August, Iran unveiled plans to utilize advanced cannons using high-power laser beams for annihilating stealth aircraft. Military officials said the laser systems would be used to protect the country's critical and vital centers. Back in March, commander of the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, Navy Rear Admiral Ali Reza Tangsiri said the Navy has developed a weapon to beat the American anti-drone laser weapon system. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei urged efforts to boost technologies for manufacturing military components and update training programs. In addition, Iran has highly accurate missiles that it has not made public in order to surprise the enemies, said Iran's deputy defense minister, Qassem Taqizadeh, on Friday, the semi-official Fars news agency reported. Many achievements cannot be revealed to the media, so we hide them to surprise the enemy, said Taqizadeh, adding that Iran today has highly accurate missiles that have not yet been unveiled. Iran makes missiles to counter threats, he claimed, adding, "We currently know that the threats against us have a radius of 1,800 kilometers.